Are you dealing with acute low back pain? Today I'm going to show you how to use a foam roller to hopefully decrease tension on your lower back. The first area we want to hit with the foam roller is your quad and your hip flexor. Okay? So we're going to go right below the hip bone and down the quad. When we feel spots that are very tense, we're going to go side to side. Okay? So let's come down, put it right underneath that hip bone, right on that quad, frog this other leg out to the side, and we're just going to start moving up and down. Okay? When you feel that tense spot, stop, rotate that leg side to side, and then repeat. I like to perform these for about 30 to 60 seconds on both sides. Second area to hit is your hamstring, okay? Especially if you have some nerve pain going down the leg, we want to decrease tension on the area and relieve some tension and pressure. We're going to put that foam roller right underneath our hamstring, hands behind us, slightly lift your butt in the air. If you can't lift your butt in the air, keep it on the ground. And we're going to start just moving up and down. When you feel that area of tension, pause and go side to side. Okay? Just up and down, pause, side to side. Repeat this for about 30 to 60 seconds on both sides. The third area we want to hit is that glute, okay? So we're going to sit on the foam roller, and then if we can, we're going to cross that leg over one knee. You're going to feel that pressure right on the outside, and we're actually going to rotate side to side. Okay, we're going to just go side to side, really massaging that area on the top of the glute, and then a little up and down. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds on both sides to help decrease tension in your glutes and take pressure off of your lower back. The last area we want to hit is our thoracic spine or our mid-back. So we're going to put that foam roller just right underneath our shoulder blades. We're going to be in that bridge position, head tucked down so no pressure on the neck. Cross your hands across your chest to open up that area, and we're just going to start moving up and down. We don't want to put the foam roller on our lower back. Let's stay in the mid-back to decrease tension above the area of pain. When you feel tension in that area, you can slightly rotate side to side, but remember, do not put the foam roller on your lower back. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds, and this will hopefully decrease pressure on your lower back.